Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another story on Fun Story Factory. Today we're reading a book that's all about mindfulness for you children. It's called Thinking of Nature. Isn't that a pretty, very relaxing looking book cover with butterflies, the sun setting? Doesn't it make you feel very peaceful and very happy? Shall we begin? From the waves of the sea to the trees of the land, nature is wonderful, precious and grand. Each mountain and valley, each star up above, are part of this world that we cherish and love. This beautiful earth can amaze and astound you. Think of the wonders of nature around you. Think of a flower. Such pretty flowers. Are you thinking of a flower? Do you think of the charm of a single red rose, the fragrance of lilacs, a treat for the nose, a field full of daisies, the buzzing of bees, the delicate petals of blossoms in trees? Colourful blooms make a stunning display. A walk in a garden can brighten your day. Do you like walking in the garden and looking at all the lovely flowers? Shall we continue? Think of a mountain. Do you think of spectacular snow-covered peaks or hard rocky edges and icy cold creeks? The vastness, the greatness, the still in the air, the view from the top that's enchanting and rare, the reflection of clouds on a crystal clear lake. There's thrill and adventure each step that you take. So the book's asking you, what do you think of when you think of a mountain? Think of the sky. Do you think of the blue of a bright sunny day, or the smell of the rain when the clouds turn to grey? The chill in the air right before the first snow, or the twinkling of stars with the moon's gentle glow? The blaze of a sunset with birds flying by. There's magic and miracles up in the sky. Think of a forest. Do you think of a birch tree or maple or pine, or of soft mossy earth and the twists of a vine, the singing of birds and the rustling of leaves, the elegant branches that sway in the breeze, a zigzagging path by a cool bubbling stream? A walk in the woods often feels like a dream. Can you see all the animals hiding in the wood? The squirrel, the deer, the bird with the nest. Think of the ocean. Are you thinking hard about the sea? Do you think of the waves as they ebb and they flow, of the coral or the corals and creatures that live down below, the feel of the sand as you walk on the beach, the way the horizon is just out of reach, the sights and the sounds of the beautiful sea can make you feel peaceful, delighted and free. Can you see the turtle, the octopus and the fish? Reflecting on nature will open your heart, and all of this thinking can now be the start. Go out and explore. What do you see? Notice each blossom, each insect, each tree. Hear the songs of the birds. Feel the wind on your skin. Sense the wonders around you and breathe it all in. Take in every moment. Take in every view. Take care of the earth. It will take care of you. Be mindful and brave with your arms open wide as you learn and discover The joys of outside. What a wonderful book. This is teaching you all about enjoying nature. Now you will be able to go for walks with your mummies and daddies and grandparents or brothers and sisters and enjoy what you see. Rather than whizzing about on your skateboard or your bike, you can stop and smell a flower. Look at the petals. Is there blossom on the tree or conkers on the ground? There are lots of questions to discuss. How does being in nature make you feel? What words would you use to describe nature? And share a favourite memory being outside. There's so many things you can do. I'll leave this on the end of the YouTube channel. So just go out and enjoy nature and be mindful and look after our world. I hope you enjoyed this book as much as I did. And while I'm reading it to you, it's pouring outside and I can hear the rain splattering on the window. That's another part of nature, isn't it? So why not go walking in the rain too? See you soon on Fun Story Factory. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon, and let me know on my channel what you think about nature. You can write and tell me. Bye bye for now.